You slept 8 hours. You still feel bad in the morning. Here's why. Sleep isn't one continuous block. It moves in 90-minute cycles. Light sleep, deep sleep, back again. If your alarm goes off in the middle of deep sleep, your brain experiences something called sleep inertia, a fog that can take hours to fully lift. And here's what nobody tells you. You can sleep for 9, 10, even 11 hours, but if your alarm pulls you out of deep sleep, you will still wake up feeling worse than someone who slept 6 hours cleanly. So instead of aiming for 8 hours, try planning your sleep in multiples of 90 minutes. Next time you need to wake up at 7 a.m., count backwards in 90-minute blocks. To get 5 full cycles, 7.5 hours, you'd want to actually fall asleep by 11:30 p.m. Add about 15 minutes to drift off, meaning lights out at 11:15 p.m. Not 8 hours, just the right hour. Have you been waking up at the wrong point? Drop it below.